Hello everyone, welcome to Marigoldi TV. Please, if today is your first time to watch or listen to my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also remember to press the bell sign. For those of you who don't already subscribe to this channel, thank you so much. To all my returning subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you never see subscribe, what you dey wait for? In this channel, they always bring latest updates, current news, ogbonge matter, as it just say they happen. If you don't want me to miss any of these updates, just kindly press the subscribe button and the bell sign.
Good tidings. This is Aliko Irame, the spokesperson of the revolution now. Now, I want to say a big congratulations to all the Ughelli boys who go kill those SARS officials. SARS operatives. Now waiting we need with that. And Edo SARS, get ready. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Lagos SARS, get ready. You kill, we murder you too. Congratulations. I'm proud of you boys. Delta boys, correct.
My people, now see this very video we now just watch. So now concerning wetin happen for Ughelli a few days ago, where SARS operative they be one just kill this very boy when they see a picture here. So this very guy, he not do SARS anything. Oh, they say now this boy just they drive, they go for road like this. Now so now SARS officer just say stop am for highway. The next thing where SARS officer do, they don't begin on they search this boy. Oh, not do before you just know it. They don't give this guy gunshot. Now this guy take fall for ground. Thank God that there was the people around. Now they quickly rush the guy, carry go hospital. If you want really listen to more updates, particularly to this very incident, just scroll down to this my channel here. I give more explanation. So after the incident can happen, where Ughelli boys can see say SARS again upon so many people where they key for Nigeria, upon so many people where they don't first see key for Delta State, they want to continue this killing again. Now all of the enter street, my people. If you now see the video where Ughelli boys still parade for Delta State for Ughelli, it not be small. Lots of boys come out, lots of young youth will be said they be cultists. Una know all those youth will be said that they very, very rugged. Many carry cutlass, so many carry battle axe. They carry different weapons where they say they want to finish SARS officers. Even it be like say they even kill lot of SARS officers. You understand, my people? So this SARS issue of a thing, it don't become big problem for Nigeria today. And thank God that so many people are coming out now to voice. Even the celebrities now, all of them, they don't stand by now. Don't they protest, say, this SARS must come to an end. Normal circumstances, SARS operative, they're not supposed to terrorize the youth of the country. There be anti-robbery squad. Now they're supposed to they go after armed robbers, but now they're not going to go after armed robbers anymore. Now they can become the armed robber where we can't get for inside Nigeria. If youth waka like this, make them not see you say you they drive better car, they go stop you, they go collect money from you, they go even steal your car from you. This very guy one at the CSO, after the SARS officer don't even shoot this guy, what did they do? They carry this guy car, they drive and they go. They don't know say other people they drive, they follow them for back, where can't they record them? If not, on that very day, those SARS officers therefore deny what it happened. So the action where Ughelli guys really come out can do. Oh my God, it was so very, very impressive. The video, my people, if una see, una go know say Delta State guys, they rugged. When you talk of ruggedity, they rugged though. Me myself, and when I see the action where they really show, I was so very like, oh my God. If youth, all of them come out now, begin they show this SARS officer all their fuck up what they don't they do to lots of youth. Many of them go paplo. Enough is enough. Youth go waka, you go dress good, it go become problem. You go drive big car, it go become problem. Nowadays, they say they carry POS. I be yeah, this thing they say they carry this thing. When they say they pay money, they go just carry and follow body. Once they just stop you, they go say make you pay. Wire money from your account, may you give one to them. Una see say if you dey look for the criminals wey dey for inside Nigeria, you don't even need to go far away from you. They are just right there. Na dem be the criminal, all those house officers. Na the Nigeria police officers, na dem still be the criminal. There is no need for them to begin dey harass Yahoo guys. There is no need for them to begin dey harass all those youths wey go dey thief, because the thief wey themselves be is even worse than all those Yahoo guys. So SARS officer, police officers, and the Yahoo guys and the some youth will be criminal. Now, which one can be the real criminal wey we dey talk about, where they're supposed to dey kill? Una see say at the end of the day, now the SARS officers now be the criminal where e dey for inside Naija. So thank God that the whole protest where all the youth don't stand up, come they do now. This now very big step. There is no need to say, oh, make this one sit down for us. Who want come out? Who want come out? If you say who want come out, say you no want agree come out, go sit join them. March for the protest so that this whole SARS of a thing go come to an end. If they not come see end damo, they go give them a very strict law. Say you don't need to harass any youth on the road. When you not see any criminal activities for their hand, let them go. It don't be say youth where they do well for themselves. SARS officers go just see them for road. The next thing, they go begin, they bulala them. They go begin one rub them naked. Now, wow, what did they happen for inside Nigeria, eh? Now, only our country there, this kind of nonsense fit happen. That is the reason why it go take before Nigeria go really de-civilize. Other countries, they plan how they want to move their country forward. Rather, for Nigeria home and the SARS officer and the police officers, they set Nigeria back. I'm not hungry no waiting the youth of Nigeria do today. It not be them be the leaders. If they think say the money where government they pay them every month not they big enough for them, make them cry out, make them go do protests so that government go increase their salary. It not be said they'll come out, come they look for one way or the other where they want to say they exploit money from the innocent youth where say they also for their own life they go. My country people, I just pray that one day all this old rubbish where SARS officers they do so it go come to an end, and this is the time where many youths need to stand up to voice out and say enough is enough. Just imagine how we can finally succeed. Kill this boy now, they be don't forget him completely. Guy we want do marriage, the next day now they shoot her a day before when we go to do a marriage introduction. Which kind of wicked act all those SARS officers get? If you really look at many of these SARS operatives, they look so arrogant. They don't look decent at all. You understand? So my people, as I come across this very video and I see the way where this guy take come out, come talk about these Ughelli guys, the way where they take key many SARS for Ughelli concerning this guy where they be one key. So now say I make I bring and come out for now, make una see, say many youth out there, they are solidly behind other youths, make them take action now, earlier the better. Thank you very much. Put your comment, what you think about this very video, and don't forget, press the like button. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.